How to make a poll on Discord. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Discord application. Now on your server, go to any text channel. Now tap on the plus icon and select polls. Now enter your question. Now tap on answers. Now add another options. Now tap on the plus icon to insert another answer. Now tap on post. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question and want to search a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.